Good morning, student. We have covered first two chapters in last 24 sessions. Now we are in the third unit of human resource management subject. I am Dr. Sudarshan P here before you to present the topic meaning and definitions of recruitment in the session 1 of unit 3. In this session, we are going to study about meaning and definitions of recruitment. As I said earlier, functions of human resource management contains different kinds of functions, right? Under that, recruitment is one of the area where HR manager has to focus more. We have done job analysis, and after that we find job description and job specification, and after that we studied about BPO, right? Now in this chapter we are going to study the process of recruitment in detail. Introduction of recruitment. ನೇಮಕಾತಿ ಅಂತ ಕನ್ನಡದಲ್ಲಿ ಕರೀತೀವಿ. ಪ್ರತಿಯೊಂದು ಹ್ಯೂಮನ್ ರಿಸೋರ್ಸ್ ಮ್ಯಾನೇಜ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಕೂಡ ಅಥವಾ ಡಿಪಾರ್ಟ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಕೂಡ ನೇಮಕಾತಿಯನ್ನು ಮಾಡಬೇಕಾಗತ್ತೆ. Recruitment is the process of having the right person in right place at the right time, and it is crucial to organizational performance. Good recruitment is vital for every organization. That is, finding the right people for the right roles at the right time in the organization. It ensures that workforce has the relevant skills and abilities. That means competencies. But if skills and abilities are added, then we can get competent workforce for the organization's current and future requirements or needs. So, recruitment is a positive process wherein we want to get more people to apply for the various positions which are kept vacant in our organization. Again, it helps us to meet the current and future needs of human resources of our organization. Meaning of recruitment. ನೇಮಕಾತಿ ಅರ್ಥ ಏನು? ರಿಕ್ರೂಟ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಎ ಪ್ರೋಸೆಸ್. ಅಂದರೆ ನೇಮಕಾತಿ ಅನ್ನುವಂಥದ್ದು ಒಂದು ಪ್ರಕ್ರಿಯೆ. ಸರ್ಚಿಂಗ್ ಫಾರ್ ಪ್ರಾಸ್ಪೆಕ್ಟಿವ್ ಎಂಪ್ಲಾಯೀಸ್, ಸಾಧ್ಯತೆಯುಳ್ಳಂತಹ ಉದ್ಯೋಗಿಗಳನ್ನು ಸರ್ಚ್ ಮಾಡೋ ಒಂದು ಪ್ರಕ್ರಿಯೆ. ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಸ್ಟಿಮ್ಯುಲೇಟಿಂಗ್ ದೆಮ್, ನಾಟ್ ಓನ್ಲಿ ಸರ್ಚಿಂಗ್ ಫಾರ್ ಪ್ರಾಸ್ಪೆಕ್ಟಿವ್ ಎಂಪ್ಲಾಯೀಸ್ ಬಟ್ ಆಲ್ಸೋ ಸ್ಟಿಮ್ಯುಲೇಟಿಂಗ್ ದೆಮ್ ಟು apply for the jobs in the organization. So there are many sources that we are getting, but we have to induce them or stimulate them, right, to apply for the jobs in our organization. When more persons apply for jobs, then there will be a scope for recruiting better persons. That means we have more choice. So employees should be selected by choice, not by chance. If you are selecting them by chance, what happens is the productivity will be affected and ultimately the quality will suffer. In other words, recruitment refers to the overall process of attracting. First, we have to induce them for applying for the jobs in our organization. Shortlisting. After screening the applications, we are going to shortlist the names of the candidates, selecting and appointing suitable candidates for the job. It may be either on a temporary basis or permanent basis. That is not the criteria here. But we need a suitable candidate, competent candidates, okay, within an organization. So in organization, we are going to do that activity or process of what attracting, shortlisting, then selecting and appointing suitable candidates for the various positions which are vacant in our organization. And such recruitment may be for the for permanent basis or for temporary basis. It is not much material. Recruitment is a positive process. Remember, ನೇಮಕಾತಿ ಅನ್ನೋದು ಒಂದು ಧನಾತ್ಮಕ ಪ್ರಕ್ರಿಯೆ, as it attracts suitable applicants to apply for available jobs. That means we are encouraging these people to apply for jobs. If more number of people are applied for job means we have more choice. So recruitment always focus on more applicants to apply. Therefore, it is called as ಪಾಸಿಟಿವ್ ಪ್ರೋಸೆಸ್, ಧನಾತ್ಮಕ ಪ್ರಕ್ರಿಯೆ. ಯಾಕೆಂದ್ರೆ ತುಂಬಾ ಜನರು ಅಪ್ಲೈ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ಅನ್ನುವಂಥದ್ದ ಉದ್ದೇಶದಿಂದ ಇರುತ್ತೆ. ಆದ್ರಿಂದ ಇದನ್ನು ಧನಾತ್ಮಕ ಪ್ರಕ್ರಿಯೆ ಅಂತ ಕರೀಬಹುದು. ಹೀಗೆ ರಿಕ್ರೂಟ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಅನ್ನುವಂಥದ್ದು ನಮಗೆ ಬೇಕಾದ ಪ್ರಾಸ್ಪೆಕ್ಟಿವ್ ಸಾಧ್ಯತೆಯುಳ್ಳ ಎಂಪ್ಲಾಯೀಸ್ಗಳ ಹುಡುಕಾಟ ಮತ್ತೆ ಅವರನ್ನೆಲ್ಲ ನಮ್ಮ ಕಂಪನಿಯ ಜಾಬ್ಗಳಿಗೆ ಅರ್ಜಿ ಸಲ್ಲಿಸುವಂತೆ ಹುರಿದುಂಬಿಸುವ ಒಂದು ಪ್ರಕ್ರಿಯೆ ಆಗಿದೆ. ಅಥವಾ ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ಮಾತಲ್ಲಿ ಹೇಳಿದಾದ್ರೆ, ಇದೊಂದು ಎಂಪ್ಲಾಯೀಸ್ಗಳನ್ನ ಅಥವಾ ಉದ್ಯೋಗಿಗಳನ್ನ ಆಕರ್ಷಿಸುವ, ಶಾರ್ಟ್ ಲಿಸ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡುವ, ಸೆಲೆಕ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡುವ ಮತ್ತು ಅಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ ಮಾಡುವ ಒಂದು ಪ್ರಕ್ರಿಯೆ ಕೂಡ ಆಗಿದೆ. ಡೆಫಿನಿಷನ್ ಆಫ್ ರಿಕ್ರೂಟ್ಮೆಂಟ್. According to Edwin B. Plippo, recruitment is the process of searching for prospective employees and stimulating them to apply for jobs in the organization. I already explained about that. Recruitment is the process. ನೇಮಕಾತಿ ಅನ್ನುವಂಥದ್ದು ಒಂದು ಪ್ರಕ್ರಿಯೆ. ಸರ್ಚಿಂಗ್ ಫಾರ್ ಪ್ರಾಸ್ಪೆಕ್ಟಿವ್ ಎಂಪ್ಲಾಯೀಸ್, ಬೇಕಾದ ಅಥವಾ ಪೊಟೆನ್ಷಿಯಲ್ ಎಂಪ್ಲಾಯೀಸ್ ಅನ್ನ ಸರ್ಚ್ ಮಾಡುವಂತ ಒಂದು ಪ್ರಕ್ರಿಯೆ, ಮತ್ತು ಸ್ಟಿಮ್ಯುಲೇಟಿಂಗ್ ದೆಮ್ ಟು ಅಪ್ಲೈ ಫಾರ್ ಜಾಬ್ಸ್ ಇನ್ ಅವರ್ ಆರ್ಗನೈಸೇಷನ್ ಆರ್ ಇನ್ ದ ಆರ್ಗನೈಸೇಷನ್. ನಮ್ಮ ಕಂಪನಿಗೆ ಜಾಬ್ಗೆ ಅಪ್ಲೈ ಮಾಡುವಂತೆ ಅವರನ್ನು ಹುರಿದುಂಬಿಸುವ ಒಂದು ಪ್ರಕ್ರಿಯೆಯನ್ನೇ ನಾವು ರಿಕ್ರೂಟ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಅಂತ ಕರಿಬಹುದು ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿ ಎಡ್ವಿನ್ ಬಿ ಪ್ಲಿಪೋ ಅವರು ಡೆಫಿನಿಷನ್ ಕೊಡ್ತಾರೆ. ಅಕಾರ್ಡಿಂಗ್ ಟು ಬರ್ಗ್ಮನ್ ಅಂಡ್ ಟೈಲರ್, ರಿಕ್ರೂಟ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಇಸ್ ದ ಪ್ರೋಸೆಸ್ ಆಫ್ ಲೊಕೇಟಿಂಗ್, ಐಡೆಂಟಿಫೈಯಿಂಗ್ ಅಂಡ್ ಅಟ್ರಾಕ್ಟಿಂಗ್ capable applicants. Indirectly, this definition also means the same. Recruitment is the process of locating or locating means searching, identifying where right people are available, who are they, and attracting capable applicants for our organization. I think you followed this. So recruitment normally is a positive process wherein the company gives advertisement, or its stakeholders will recommend some people who are qualified and competent. So every company do require the recruitment process. Normally the vacancies will be created in the company every year, either because of retirement of existing employees or because of transfer of employees of our organization for other branches. Whenever expansion happens, or positions may be created because of, or vacancies may be created because of promotion of employees to other cadre. And it is a continuous process. Every human resource management has to do this particular work. The very objective of recruitment is that there is neither surplus nor shortage of skilled or competent employees for the organization. Whenever faulty process is adopted in the recruitment process, that has a long lasting impact on the performance of the organization. Therefore, care is to be taken while formulating recruitment policy. Again, while doing recruitment policy, we have to have complete audit of existing human resources in the organization. Otherwise, whatever step that we are taking may lead to some chaos and confusion in the future. So there should be a proper recruitment policy and methods and practice that will help us, the company, to get the correct people or right people for the right job at the right time. So we will study in detail other relevant aspects relating to recruitment in the next session. There will be a question for section C, normally in the examination. That is, what is recruitment? So, define recruitment, explain the process of recruitment. And we will take up that remaining part in the next session. And regarding recruitment, you please refer these definitions and the meanings so that you can reproduce it in the examination easily. With this, I concluding this session. Thank you.